All right, guys, happy Friday. We made it. We are wrapping up the week. We did a whole week on median. We have talked about minimum, maximum, range, mode, median, and next week we're going to get to the very last one, which is mean. But in the meantime, we're going to do a quizzes today. This is your only assignment. So this will be blue when you go in. If you click on that, that's the link to the quizzes. It might ask you to sign in. You just sign in with your Google. And then you do need a piece of paper as you go through this. And you're even welcome to use a calculator if you have it, or if you want to pull up the calculator on your computer, that's fine too. You're going to go through it and take your time. It is not that many questions. I am taking this for a grade, meaning I'm giving you an accuracy grade for this. So just make sure that you are putting forth a really good effort, because if not, that's going to definitely hurt your grade. I'm kind of using this as a wrap up, like a little bit like a quiz. Again, you can try to use your read write, have it read to you if you want, but I am taking this for a grade. When you're done with the quizzes, just remember I have Zoom time at 11:30. I can go over whatever you need. I can go over even the quizzes questions at that point if you need to. This should be open the whole way until Sunday night, so you have plenty of time to get this done. All right, have a good weekend, guys.